I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and we're going to be doing another one of our craft videos. So today we're going to do something called bubble painting, and we're really excited about it. So we're going to show you our samples.
Okay, here's mine.
Good, and here's mine.
Love it.
Yeah, it was really fun. So before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breathing techniques to help get us ready. So since Gail's outside and we're hearing birds in the background, and I've been hearing birds also a lot this morning, we're going to do flying bird breath. So we're going to start with arms at our side and take a deep breath in and raise our arms up. And then exhale down. So that's our wings, our bird wings. So let's do that 2 more times. Ready?
Yeah.
One more.
I feel nice and relaxed and ready to go.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to show you right now the supplies that we're going to need, that you're going to need to do this craft. So you're going to need some kind of container. It could be a cup or a plastic container, tempera paint, dish soap, water, a straw, some paper, and a push pin.
So some of you might be thinking, why do I need a push pin? Well, we use the push pin to make a hole in the straw before we blow the bubbles. And that way, for younger kids, it makes it hard so that you won't make a mistake of sucking up the mixture.
Yes.
So
and
it works well.
If you have a push pin, make sure your parent or caretaker or friend does that part for you.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's get started.
All right.
All right, so the first thing that has to happen is you're going to take your tempera paint and pour some into your cup. I did about maybe ½ an inch, and you already did yours, Peggy, right?
Right, mine's already mixed up, but you can mix paints to make different colors. So I have yellow and I want to do orange, so I'm going to put some red in with my yellow.
Great.
And see if that works.
All right.
So we put paint in first, Gail, right?
Yes, you put the paint in first, and while you're doing that, I'll show the next step, which is take your dishwashing liquid and you put in 2 pumps. Okay? And you've already done that, Peggy, right?
Right. Here's my dish soap.
All right. And then you're going to pour in about maybe 2 inches of water. You can always add more water, so I'm going to start with a little less.
Yeah.
All right. And then I'm going to do the same with my red.
And what I found out when I was doing this is that you kind of experiment with the ratio of how much paint, how much water, and it also depends on the type of paint you have. Like mine are just Crayola tempera paints, and so I found I had to add a little bit more.
Yeah, I had to experiment too. And right now when we do it, we'll see what happens. And if I have to add more paint, or if you do, that's fine too.
Right.
So the next step is, I'm going to just stir it a little bit.
Yeah. My orange isn't coming. I think I added too much red.
And I think I'm going to start with my orange. So all you do is you're going to blow into the straw so the bubbles come out.
Wait, Gail, I want to do it with you. Hold on. But first, I just want to show, if you do want to do the push pin, here's my push pin, and just hook it up the top and make a hole.
Okay.
All right. And then I'm going to get ready, because this is the fun part. All right.
I'm sorry, I was so excited, Peggy, to get
started.
Well, this is so fun.
I'm excited too, and I want to do it together. Okay.
Okay, ready? So we're going to blow the bubbles. Okay, now, when they come up really high, then you take your paper and you lay it on, and then you see that the bubbles come off onto your paper. I'm going to add a little more orange to mine.
Ooh.
Let's see. Oh, yours really worked. You did just the right amount.
Wow, I didn't think it was gonna work. I didn't think it would look orange, but it does.
Oh, that one worked.
Ooh, nice. I'm gonna do it again, and then I'm gonna
Okay.
do my blue.
I'm going to do my green.
It's so cool watching the bubbles come up.
Me too.
Oh, look at that.
I'm going to add a little more green. Wow.
Now, let's see. So you can also use different size containers. Like Gail used a cup. I used little mini yogurt containers, this size.
There we go. The green came out. And now I already know I'm going to need more red, so I'm going to add it ahead of time.
Oh, look how big that got.
Let's see. Wow. I love it, Peggy.
Thank you. Let me see. Nice.
Thank you. I really love it.
I do too. I'm going to continue this after we stop. So the other thing you can do after you have your bubble art is you could turn it into a card if you want. So you could get some heavier paper to make a card, and you could just cut out a section of your painting to put on the card, or you could cut out a shape and put it on the card. So I forgot my scissors, but I think it's pretty clear how you do it.
Yeah. So here's my finished product.
Oh, I love it, Gail.
Thank you. And when we're done, I'm going to take this after it dries and I'm going to tape it onto a card.
I know, me too. All right, that was fun.
Really fun. So we hope you enjoyed this craft video. If you want to see more of our videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org.
All right, thank you, and have a nice day.
Happy crafting.
Yes.
Bye.